What's up friends, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing. And what we're going to be unboxing is my Lunchbox hydration pack. And this hydration pack or camel bag is specifically for festivals. Fairly new. I think the company is within their first year if I'm not mistaken. My boyfriend is the one who decided to purchase it, and we're gonna open it up to see how it is, and then we're gonna go take it to EDC Las Vegas, and I'll come back and tell you guys my final thoughts on the product. Just a little quick story on the reason why my boyfriend decided to purchase this. One of the cool features about this backpack or hydration pack is that it has anti-theft system, and like the pockets are in the front and stuff. So when we were in an Ultra, I was on his back and I had my his battery pack in my pocket, and I felt somebody trying to take it out of me when I was on his shoulders, and like I quickly looked back and like the girl was like scolding her boyfriend, telling her to stop, babe, and I was like, I can't believe they literally just tried to steal us. So I did. After the festival was over, I told my boyfriend, and obviously he got mad because I didn't tell him right there and then. But yeah, so that's why he's all kind of paranoid now, and he wanted to get this. So let's just jump right into it. Just gonna open it up. Hopefully they don't break it. Give me a little second, give me a second. Alrighty, so when opening the box, you see this big flyer, kind of. I dropped something. When people ask what it is, and they will ask, it's the Lunchbox. Share your unboxing of the first Lunchboxes with the hashtag it's the Lunchbox, and you'll be entered to win a ticket to EDC Orlando 2019. That's pretty cool. And it says, Lunchbox, let's get you set up. To assemble your Lunchbox, please follow the instructions located at the web address. So I guess we're gonna have to go to this website and follow the instructions to set it up. In the back it says, it's more than a crowd, it's the family. It's more than a show, it's the experience. It's more than a bag, it's the Lunchbox. This one's for you. Thank you for placing your faith in the Lunchbox team and for believing us from the very beginning. None of this would have been possible without your support. You are the inspiration behind Lunchbox, and we could not be prouder of the product that you're holding in your hands today. And we will not stop. Even as our Lunchbox family continues to grow and evolve, we will always stay true to our core mission, serving and improving the festival community. We will continue to create products that ensure your experiences are the best they can be. Thank you for having our back from day one. We'll make sure to have yours for the days to come. Here's to the future together. Keep up with the fam. Oh, that's kind of cute. Alright, so when opening the box, you have this pouch. It has the lights, I think, and then another one with another lights. So, and then we have a sticker. And then we have the Lunchbox in black. So let's just open it right up. So the material that's made of is the ballistic nylon, which just prevents people from like slicing your backpack and getting your stuff. So that's another cool like anti-theft feature, I guess. So here it is. And it also is the optimal size for what you can bring into a festival. That's what they said in their website. So, and it's just plain black. I know they didn't have any colors available. Although another really cool feature about this is they have zip-on skins. So you can literally just zip on design any of you choosing. I think you can customize the design. So that's pretty cool. Another cool feature about this backpack is the hydration system. It's different because you have to keep it in there, you can't take it out, so it makes the filling it up really easy, as well as it's insulated, so it does keep your water cold. The hydration system they have in these backpacks are patented, and it's called the juice box. So that was pretty funny. But yeah, it just has some cool features in the front, like a pouch for your phone, a pouch for your sunglasses, as well as they give you options of being able to decorate your backpack with like lights. I think there's like LED lights or LE lights or something like that. You can pick different colors It makes it really easy for you to attach them to the backpack. Alrighty, so let's just take a look at what's inside this backpack. So we have a first compartment kind of in the back right here. And only goes like halfway to the backpack. So you have one right there. And you have a little separate pouch in here. I guess you have side pockets for any bottles or anything like that. On the other side, you do have the compartment to open it up. And right here is the hydration system where you access it and fill it up with water. I'm not sure how you open it. I think you just slide it off. So you're just gonna slide this off, open it up, and you fill it in. Okay. Yeah, anyways, so you just slide that off and then you open this up and then that's how you fill it, and then you can just go ahead and slide it back in, which is really convenient compared to like the nozzle of all the other ones. So after you close the hydration pack, all you have to do is grab the zipper, and then there's like a little clip attached to the backpack, and then you just clip it shut, which is really cool. So let's check out this front portion. And then this is the front, and I think you can take this skin off. So it's just like a zipper literally, and then just the skin comes off. And then this is just the front of it. And then if you go to the back, you have like another compartment like on the back side. And then this is where you locate kind of the hydration system, and as you can see, it's kind of insulated right here. So that was pretty neat. And in the front, you have these little tiny hooks where you can crisscross the lights that they gave you, or just like pull them around to light up your backpack and to stand out, or if your friends are looking for you in the crowd, they can spot your backpack. But that's pretty much it, what consists of this lunchbox. Alrighty, so the price of this hydration pack is, well, we got it for $89 before taxes. There was 4 tiers on pre-sale. Obviously the first tier was the cheapest. I know now it is in tier 4, which I think is $100 before tax, and they are offering overnight shipping for EDC. It took about a week for us to get it since we were in pre-sale. That is it for the unboxing, and we're gonna go ahead and try it out for EDC, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts when I come back. Alrighty friends, so now that EDC is officially over, I am back to give you my final thoughts on the Lunchbox hydration pack. Some of the things I really appreciated with this backpack was actually the hydration system itself, the juice box they call it. It was much easier to drink out of this backpack compared to any other backpack I had to drink out of, as well as it was super spacious. Even though we got to fill it up, there was still a lot of space. We were able to fit in some clothes in there, as well as the security and safety it gave us with not being able to get pickpocketed. The only thing I did not like about this backpack was that you had to take it off to get anything that's inside of the backpack, so that was kind of inconvenient when you were like in the crowd, you know, and then you had to get like your chapstick or your gum or anything like that. So those are the things. That was the only downside of that. Another feature that I really liked about this backpack was the lights, and you can like design it however you want. I really appreciated that, just because if we were moving through crowds, or like if my boyfriend went to go get water or went to a restroom, I can kind of spot him throughout the crowd with the lights that the backpack had. So that was really nice. I would definitely recommend this backpack to anybody who goes to festivals often, or even like on hikes or adventures that somebody needs like a hydration pack. It's super convenient to have. I know it's a little bit pricey, so I would not recommend it if only you go to like festivals maybe once or twice a year. For us, it was a great investment, and I would totally recommend it. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.